Hi guys, in this tip I want to cover topic how to record flexible actions in Adobe Photoshop. One of the reasons why you want flexibility with your actions is that you want to recreate, let's say, this or layout which is similar to this one. Let's deconstruct this layout for a moment. Here I have four basic shapes which are dividing space. Shape on the left side occupies 2/3 of document width and entire height. Shapes on the right side occupies 1/3 of document width and 1/3 of document height. And let's say this is layout which I am using often and I want to automate task of dividing space which I will use as starting point. Here is scenario which people are usually using to record this kind of actions. I will start a recording action and I will call it thirds. Now to record action, I will simply select a rectangle tool and start drawing my shapes. Here is first shape. I will change color to red. Then second shape, for which I want to change color to blue, just to be easier to distinguish. And here is third shape. Color goes to green. And fourth shape, which I want to color to yellow. And basically I'm done. Here is my action. Let's switch to layers panel to delete layers and I will run this action. And here is the result. Exactly what I need and exactly what I expect. Now let's switch to another document which has different orientation and different proportions and different dimensions. Let's run this action to see what is result. This is not what I expect. If I go to select rectangle 1 which is on the left side and I will press Ctrl 0 to fit in window, we can see that rectangle which should occupy 2/3 of my document width and entire height, it is actually far beyond canvas size. Why this is happening? Let's go to Actions panel and expand first step. And I will scroll to see what Photoshop has recorded. Here is shape a rectangle. And then we have instruction for Photoshop. Top 0 pixels. What this mean? This means that top of that rectangle is at 0 pixels and it is. Left is at 0 pixels and it is. Bottom is at 2000 pixels and it is at 2000 pixels. And now let's switch to previous document where I have recorded this action and I will show you that this document actually has height of 2000 pixels. That's why bottom of shape is recorded as at 2000 pixels. So Photoshop is not making mistake in this document. It is doing exactly what is recorded or exactly what instructions it has in that in each step. Now the question is, can we ask Photoshop to ignore document orientation, proportions, and to recreate this layout which we have deconstructed previously? Answer is yes, we can, and solution is simple and easy. You need to show rulers from view rulers and then simply right click and change measurement unit to percent and then start recording action. So I have changed ruler to percent and this time I will record action thirds flexible. And I will do exactly same thing as when recording previous action. So I will draw shapes to create my layout. I will change color, then draw second shape, then draw third shape, color to green, and fourth shape, color to yellow. And that's it. Action is recorded. Now let's test this action, which is recorded with percentage as measurement unit. I will run thirds flexible in document where I have recorded action, and I'm getting exactly what I want and what I need. Now let's switch to another document with different proportions and dimensions, and I will run same action, thirds flexible, and I'm getting what I want. Shape on the left side occupies 2/3 of document width and entire height, and shapes on the right side occupies 1/3 of document width and 1/3 of document height. Let's go and to one more document which is square and have totally different dimensions than previous two, and I will run same action, and again I am getting what I expect and what I want. So that's solution for flexible actions in Adobe Photoshop. And keep in mind that this solution will work fine with basic shapes and, for example, with selections when you want to fill that selection or to cut out, but it won't work with complex shapes or custom shapes without to pay attention to document proportions. That's topic for some of my next tutorials. For now, you know how to use flexibility with percentage set for measurement unit and basic shapes in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments on YouTube or my blog Design Easy.